Hi everyone, welcome to Pop-Up Smart's YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you about how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel, you know that it's not always easy to get subscribers. I will walk you through some of the steps that you should be following and you'll be good to go. So let's start. Number 1, find your niche. So lots of new creators are just creating random stuff and expecting subscribers, but that's not actually how things work. People want to know what they're subscribing for. They want to know what to expect from your channel. So you should decide on your channel type. You can see some examples here: beauty and fashion, cooking, gaming, whatever it is. Just decide on it and create your content accordingly. And once you're done with the channel type, don't forget to do some keyword research. This way you can know what the viewers are searching for. You will know your audience, what they're searching for, and give them what they want. Number 2, create a trailer for your channel. So trailers help viewers understand what your channel is about. When you upload your trailer video, it will automatically play for viewers who haven't subscribed yet. So there are tactics you can follow. Keep your trailer short, start your trailer with your channel's tagline, promote your best content, and here is the example from Pop-Up Smart's YouTube channel. Number 3, write a compelling about section. About section's impact is huge, especially in terms of video SEO. It's your channel's description basically, so it should shortly overview your content and it should call to action. So you can see an optimal channel description should tell what the channel is about, provide necessary info, and include a strong call to action. Okay, number 4, promote the channel on your website. If you have a website, receiving consistent traffic, including your videos in it, is a great idea. So one way to do is through video pop-ups. They are basically small windows that pop on web pages and display a video. So if you want to create a pop-up today, you can visit Pop-Up Smart's website. So I've covered some of the steps that you should be following to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube, but please check out all the steps and you'll be good to go. I will leave the link in the description box below, and don't forget to like the video. See you next time.